Welcome back to the Skitch on Wheels channel. Thanks for dropping in. Today I'm going to go over a product that I need right now, right today. It's about 15 degrees out here in the Knoxville area. And I'm in a garage that's not heated. And I've got motorcycle work to do. So I want to get this garage heated up so I can do my work through the winter. I don't want my bikes to sit all winter long and not touch them. I like to do modifications to them in the wintertime, get them cleaned up, keep them running, and even ride in the winter. We're going to go and we're going to show you what this heater will do. We're going to take a test, see what temperature the garage is right now, and then run this for about 30 minutes and see what the temperature of the garage gets to. I've got about a 21 by 21 foot garage, so it's not huge, just your normal, everyday two-car garage. Let's take a look at the current temperature in the garage. It's sitting right around 40 degrees right now, so not too bad, but yeah, I don't like to work in 40-degree weather in a garage. I don't want to wear a jacket. Let's see if we can get this Mr. Heater Buddy portable heater up and running and get that temperature raised in this garage so we can do some work today. So first impressions, solid, durable, a lot of plastic, but it's solid, hard plastic. Seems like it's a pretty durable product. We'll go ahead and get this set up, get it cranked up, and see what kind of heat it produces. So let's talk about some of the things this heater is known for. It's got 4,000 to 9,000 BTU, heavy duty handle, reinforced wire guard, low heat and high settings, so you can do low or high settings on the heat. It heats up to 225 square foot, where my garage, like I said, it's about 21 by 21, so roughly 400 square foot. No electricity required. 5.4 hours of heat with the 1 pound propane cylinder. You know those green ones that you get at Walmart or any kind of outdoor place. 108 hours of use, one of the big 20 pound tanks of propane. Yeah, so let's take a look. Surprisingly, not much to it. Pretty light. Small, durable heater. Let's put it to the test. I think it's pretty straightforward. This screws into there. You push a button, you hit the pilot light, you turn it on. That's what I'm going with. It does have a handy pivot here, so in case you have a little bit bigger bottle or you just need to get a regulator, hook it up to the 20 pound propane tank, it does have some flexibility there. We're starting around 41 degrees, 41 and a half degrees. I think some of the lighting here is probably affecting that from the 40 that we started at. So it's raised a little bit. Now let's go ahead and turn this on. Push knob to ignite pilot. After lit, hold for 30 seconds, release, and turn to desired setting. We've got our little bottle of propane screwed into the side. We're gonna go from off to pilot, and we're gonna push it. There we go, we got a little flame here in the bottom. Not sure you can see that, but the safety mechanism. I tilted it too far, so the pilot light went out. So that's a good thing with this one, is that if you do knock it over or it falls, that pilot light will go out and you won't catch anything on fire. So let's do that again. There it is. Let's see if I can show you what that looks like. Here it is running. Now it's off. Now let's light it. We're going to turn it to pilot. We're going to push it. And there it is. There's the pilot light going. So it doesn't get much easier than that, to be honest with you. Let's now get it cranked up and let's see what kind of temperature we get. So we're going up to high here, folks. Oh, I can see the heat coming out of there. We're on high. We're gonna see where that goes. I know it's close proximity. We're gonna watch it climb, and then we're gonna take it to different areas of the garage and see what the different corners of the garage measure. But I can tell you right now, this little bad boy is putting out some heat. So I think good would be 60. I might be wishful thinking there, but let's hope we hit 60. A 20 degrees increase in temperature is a huge deal. I can work in 60 degrees all day long. I'm gonna have a camera on the thermometer, and also we're gonna time it here on my phone and see how long it takes to bring that temperature up. Then we're gonna go to each corner of the garage and measure the temperature there. So as you can tell by looking at the clock, we're at about 30 minutes. This little heater's been pumping out the heat. We're at 60 degrees. I'm telling you, it's totally different in this garage now. Night and day difference. 20 degrees means a lot. I can work in 60 degrees without a jacket or anything. You're gonna get hot and sweaty working on bikes, doing whatever you gotta do, whether it's woodworking, working on cars, working on bikes, no matter what you're doing in the garage. This little heater has really pumped up the heat in this garage. So I'm very impressed with it for 30 minutes. And we're gonna take the camera, we're gonna walk around, and we're gonna see what different areas of the garage measure. So let's head over here into the far corner and see what kind of reading we get. So 59.7. It is a little bit cooler over here, but it's only a couple of degrees. I would expect that. Let's go to a different corner. So we're in the far corner now from the heater, and let's see what we got here. 59.8, still holding pretty true. So I have to give this portable heater a thumbs up. So we're at 36 minutes in. Let's take a look. Let's see what's on our thermostat. 62.4 degrees. So I think I've concluded that this was a good purchase for me. Mr. Heater Portable Buddy. It did the job in the garage. Definitely working conditions now. Don't need that big heavy jacket on. It's still about 18 degrees outside. So that's a good temperature to work in here, 60 degrees. I can do anything I want on these bikes. And it's gonna keep me working in the wintertime. So if you got a hobby, anything you're doing out in the garage, you need a little bit of boost of heat, I recommend this portable heater. It's done a good job here. I'm gonna crank it down a little bit, keep the temperature where it's at, and save a little bit of propane. Thanks for watching the Skitch on Wheels channel. Do me a favor, leave some comments, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.